Hi, I'm Rhoda Gordon. I am the owner of Sunflower Photo Solutions and the creator of Dig Your Photos. I am a certified photo manager, and included in Dig Your Photos, which, by the way, is a DIY print photo organizing kit. Yes, there is one on the market, and it is amazing. You can organize your own print photos at home and have fun doing it. Think of all the bonding time you'll have with your family once your photos are organized. Anyway, included in Dig Your Photos, a DIY print photo organizing kit, is this handy dandy toolkit. And I just want to quickly go over what's in the toolkit because it's all the tools that a certified photo manager uses when they are organizing their clients' print photos. So first and foremost, which is very important, are these cotton gloves. I use the gloves when handling photos, first off, to protect the photos from any residue or grease that's on my hands. We all produce grease, and also to clean off each print photo before I scan it. So when I'm wearing the gloves, it's twofold. It protects the photos from me, and I also can clean off the photos while I am sorting them for scanning. Then there is this palette knife, which is used to get the stuck photos out of albums. You can gently use it to get under the photo and pry the photo away from the glue that's holding it on the back. Then, oftentimes there's glue residue on the back of the photos because of those, what we used to call magnetic albums, but also because of tape. Sometimes we peel the tape off the back of the album photo, especially if there was double sticky tape or it was in a frame. This gum eraser is a lifesaver. You just kind of go in a circular motion and it beads up all the glue, and then your photos aren't going to stick to each other when you stack them, and it's not going to ruin your scanner when it goes through the scanner. So that is really important. And then an archival safe pencil, because let's face it, once we see a photo, sometimes it brings up memories and we want to capture that memory really quickly. That's, Aunt Sadie, and I remember the year was like, 1972. So we quickly can write it on the back of the photo and not worry about ruining the photo because these pencils are archival safe. And then this is my favorite tool. I use it all the time. And if you follow me on YouTube, you know I use it. This is the magnifying glass. I use it to become a detective when I'm trying to determine things in the background so I can date a photo. You can count birthday candles, you can look at a calendar in the background, or anything else. Even, I know another photo manager looked at the inspection sticker that was on an old car and was able to date the photos that way. Then also there are these note cards, index cards, that are used to also keep notes about your photos, but then to categorize your photos. Once they're sorted by date, we use this to separate the photos chronologically until we're ready for the next step, the last step, or after you've organized your photos, which is to store it in archival safe storage and possibly scan all your photos as well, which I think is a great idea. It creates a backup and an easier way to share and create projects. So let me know your thoughts on what we've included in the toolkit, and if you think you would benefit from any of this, definitely check out digyourphotos.com, and maybe you want to purchase one to organize your own print photos.